Hey, before we start the video, make sure you smash that like right now, thumbs up wherever you're watching it on, and share this out. There's always a share, a way to share it. Help us out. Leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed or followed us, do it now. Thank you. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming with another unboxing. Here we are talking about B2 audio. This way you can see it before you buy it. Sweet like a Danish, never be too loud. This right here, folks, is a 8-inch. This is the RIOT8P. So they have a couple different series. They have the Rage, the Riot. This is a 4-ohm driver, 80 hertz to 10 kilohertz. So you get pretty good mid bass out of it. And even I like this on the back of the box. It's 300 watts peak, so it's advertised at RMS rate of 150 watts per driver. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam activated.
And you can even see on the box, they even do, people use the DAT or different ways to send a tone through the speaker and also to get where it peaks. And if you notice here, about 100 hertz all the way through to 10K is pretty strong. So that tells you this is a very good full range loudspeaker, and you still get something down there in the 50, which means you'll get some mid bass out of it. Let's turn this off. Magnet is 23 ounces, sensitivity is 97 dB. These are sold in pairs, which is cool. Right away you get your B2 sticker, you get your pamphlet. We already kind of went over that, but let's see. Yeah, 80 to 10 kilohertz, 97 dB, 1.5 inch voice coil, depth 3.7 inches, so it's not that bad, especially being an 8-inch. Overall diameter is right at 8 inches. Packaging really nice. You can see how they do the added. You don't have to worry about the top of the rim being bent during shipping, which does happen sometimes. And then open this bad boy up. Now, if you haven't done already, hit that like button. Follow, like, subscribe, what depends where you're watching it from. Show us some support and leave a comment at the end. Okay, so here she is right here. If you notice, it is a bullet, chrome style bullet. This is UV coated and also water resistance. There is a coating on it. Doesn't mean you can go ahead and submerge this. This is not rated IP rating or considered marine, but if this was on, say, a motorcycle and water got on here, it wouldn't just tear it up. But because it's not completely sealed down in where the voice coil is, you could get water down there. But you don't have to worry about the sun killing these things because it does have a UV coating. I mean, it's a nice overall speaker, and the mounting depth, as we said, is not that big. And it has a huge wide range that it plays. And 150 watts RMS, that's a good amount of power, and also be rated at 97 dB. Why don't we hook one of these up on the bench and hear what this thing sounds like? Okay, we're over here on, we should be over here. All right, we're over here. We're gonna keep it simple. And we're gonna turn on some music. Let you all get an idea. You can see we're doing some testing here today. Whoa! Don't ever do that when the volume's all the way up, but you could hear that thing. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're just using right now, because we're doing all the unboxing videos for the B2, I still have a Black Diamond 4-channel, so that's only about 100 watts per channel. And that thing was already screaming, scared me. But let's get some music playing through it. We'll get back on the overhead cam. first thing I want to say is I don't know if you can hear this, but it sounds like there is a bullet tweeter hooked up, and it's not. Huge range here with a full range amplifier. Let's do something I like doing this. We're going to grab the Big Jeff cam. Let's turn her on.
Activated.
All right, we're going to put that speaker there, and I'm going to crank this back up. That's loud. Now, I've said this a ton of times, but when you get that much mid-bass, that much air moving free air style, imagine what that would sound like in your vehicle. And this is full range all the way. I mean, it's not crossed over. And that thing, whoo, that was super, super loud. It really caught me off guard when we started. So these are on the website, bigjeffaudio.com. Now it's started up b2audiousa.com, and we are loading product on Amazon and eBay. But you buy it off bigjeffaudio.com or b2audio.com, and guess what? We're giving you a free 2-year extended warranty by CPS. Now, the only thing we're not going to do that for is the tweeters and drivers, horns, because we have recone kits, and you're just going to have to, if you blow it up, you replace it. They're inexpensive, easy to do. But all speakers and amplifiers will have a 2-year extended warranty, repair and replace. Here's the cool thing about that. Even if you were rookie and put a hole in the speaker, instead of calling us or emailing us, it came that way. After 31 days, you can put in a claim to get it replaced. That is how we're bringing the brand back, by offering that. Okay, how much are these? Well, right now they're at $164.95 for the set. That includes the 2-year warranty. So for something that loud, something this beautiful, that is an incredible price, way under 200 bucks. And you can use this for multiple applications. Man, hey, leave a like, a comment. Check us out. We have a new Facebook. It is B2 Audio USA. You can go to B2 Audio YouTube or Big Jeff Audio and help us bring this line in right. Some of y'all remember this from years ago. Some of y'all don't. This is the perfect time to try this stuff out. It is awesome. Sweet like a Danish is the slogan. Out of Denmark, European design, and over there, the car audio world is not as big as America, but it is more into quality. That's what you're getting out of here, okay? Hey, listen, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio and B2 Audio USA. Doing another unboxing. I'll see you next time.